In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Classroom as a student in our 2025 beginner guide, so get ready to simplify your educational journey with this easy to follow tutorial. First things first, let's talk about getting that all-important class code from your teacher. This code is your golden ticket into the classroom. It's typically a combination of 6 to 7 characters, mixing numbers and letters, and what's important to note here is that there are no spaces. Your teacher might share this code with you in various ways, perhaps through an email, during a chat message, or even by handing you a printed copy. Make sure to keep it handy for the next steps. Once you have the code ready, the next step is accessing Google Classroom. You can do this by visiting classroom.google.com in your web browser or opening the Google Classroom app on your device. Regardless of your method of choice, you'll find yourself on the classes page. This is essentially your hub for all things involving your classes. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a plus icon, which is the join button. Go ahead and click on it. This is where your class code comes into play. Enter the code exactly as it was provided by your teacher. Remember, attention to detail here is key since any incorrect character will prevent you from joining the class. Once you've entered the code, carefully confirm your entry. After a few moments, you should find yourself added to the class, where your educational journey continues. One helpful tip to remember is that this process is the same whether you're using a desktop or the mobile app, so feel confident knowing that you have the flexibility to join your classes from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. Also, if you encounter any issues, like an error message when entering the code, double check with your teacher to make sure you have the latest and correct class code. By now, you should be successfully added to your Google Classroom, unlocking a world of resources and assignments customized for your learning. Google Classroom is designed to be user-friendly and effective, allowing students like you to manage assignments and receive important updates from your teachers conveniently. In summary, remember to secure your class code. Head over to the classes page via Google Classroom either on a browser or app. Click that plus join button, carefully input your class code, and you'll be all set to go. Enjoy the seamless experience that Google Classroom offers. Thank you for watching.